Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a mouse effects in Wing Studio. So first up, you just need to log in with your Wings account and then select the website here. If you don't have a site yet, just need to create by using some of the templates. So to basically create a mouse effect, just click on this Open Inspector button at the top right and go to Animations and Effects. So here at the bottom, as you can see, mouse effects. So moving the mouse triggers and effects on the selected element. So here, if you're going to click on add, you'll find here 9 effects that you can basically apply to your website. So in this case, we're going to try to apply and preview to our website. So make sure that you select the correct page here. So just click on the page. And then here on mouse effects, then click add. So we're going to try to use the Tilt 3D. And here, make sure that you enable this move mouse to preview. And here is the preview. So as you can see, you can customize the angle and also the direction. Now, another effects here, if we're going to try, is the track. So basically here, again, you can just preview by moving your mouse on your website. So as you can see, and also you can edit and customize it. Now another effect here that you can basically use uh, right here. So the blob. So as you can see on adjust animation option. So here, as you can see, it's like a bubble animation. And then another one we have here obscure. And it seems like it's getting blurred once you move your mouse. And also we have another option here, right? So another one. So if you're going to click on the element, so make sure that you click on the page right here. Now we're going to try the track 3D. So here, as you can see, the different effects. You can change the angle, the distance, velocity, and perspective. And another one here is airy, right? So if you're going to click on airy, so here, as you can see the effects, then you can change the movement axis. You can also use this resize. So if you're going to move up your mouse, it's going to zoom out. And then here we have also this Q3D, right? So another one is the swivel. So here, basically, you have an options to select any of the effects that you want to input to your website. So just select on it and then preview. And once you've done, just click on the publish button at the top right hand corner. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.